Good evening to all. In this part, I would be again, it's a continuation for what I was discussing before on SWOT analysis. The full form of SWOT is equated with the word strength. S stands for the strength, W stands for weaknesses, O for opportunities, and T stands for the threats. So here when I say it's a SWOT analysis, it means that I'm going to understand what are the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and what kind of threats are available, and how well we can analyze it for a company or a person or for a particular product. So that's what this SWOT analysis is. Then how am I going to understand it? So here the definition is that it is a framework for identifying and analyzing the internal as well as the external factors. Internal with the help of the SWOT and weaknesses for the given company or the product, opportunities and threats as they are coming from the external side. So we will see with the help of an example how we can recognize the strength and the weaknesses or the opportunities and the threat, how well a company can use them, or I should say eliminate them in order to make entry into the society or the market. So it and that can have an impact on the viability of a project. So here one more thing that we can underline is to see the impact. So what kind of an impact it is making on the project, for the product, at a particular place through a particular person or maybe another person itself. So here we can see the impact is on the project, the entire business model, the product that is going to be launched or is going to be redesigned, a place. Now this is the most important one that we need to understand, that it is the identified market. Whether it is a global market, local market, or an emerging market, it has to be a place or a market. Now person, and later on again we will see how SWOT analysis helps in order to understand a person also. Uses of SWOT analysis, it is most commonly used by the business entities. Now especially the companies, the big corporations, multinational companies, banks, NGOs, all these institutes you can say, or the entities can definitely use in order to know themselves more in the market. It is also used by the non-profit organizations and individuals for personal assessment. So it is a assessing tool for us. Additionally, it can be used to assess the initiatives, products, or the projects also. So I can understand, for example, me as a person, I can understand, what are the opportunities I'm going to receive it when I visit a particular place. So can I turn those opportunities into my initiatives, or can I take the initiatives to avail the opportunities in order to launch something? Similarly, what kind of threats can I pose, maybe through a group of people or by the environment? So what kind of threats are available for me? In the same manner, for a business owner also, when they enter into a new market, they are going to assess all these things. So that's what I just wanted to share, a small discussion over the SWOT analysis and the uses. More to go in my next part. Till then, thanks and take care. Bye-bye.